Lewis the Listener. In the ethereal twilight of woods of the echoes, where the trees stretched their limbs towards the heavens and the stars blinked curiously down at the earth, there lived an owl named Lewis. His feathers bore the soft brown and warm tones of the forest floor, and his eyes, large and luminous, were pools of golden light in the dusk. Lewis was not just any owl. He was a guardian of knowledge, a keeper of the forest whispered secrets. Each night, as the creatures of the wood gathered in the glen, Lewis would join, listening intently to the tales and wisdom exchanged. He believed in the power of silence, the strength that lay in listening, truly listening to the voices around him. But Lewis faced a challenge unique to his kind. His flight was so silent, so utterly noiseless, that his sudden appearance amongst the gatherings often led to a flutter of wings and scattering of the smaller creatures. His intentions were pure, yet his quiet approach brought unease to the nocturnal meetings. One night, a gathering of great importance was to take place. The animals were to discuss the changing seasons and the preparations needed for the coming winter. Lewis, arriving unheard, as always, caused a stir that disrupted the meeting's solemnity. It was in the midst of this chaos that Lewis perceived the impact of his silent wings. Determined to bridge the gap his silence has created, Lewis took to the night skies, his mind whirling as swiftly as his wings. He sought the counsel of the wise of Willow, whose rustling leaves had soothed many a troubled soul. Inspired by the willow's whispering wisdom, Lewis crafted a plan. At the next gathering, before taking to the air, Lewis gently shook a branch of the willow, creating a soft, soothing sound that preceded him. As he arrived, a gentle hoot announced his approach, and the creatures below looked up with smiles of welcome, no longer startled, their hearts open and ready to share. Night after night, Lewis's new tradition became the signal of unity. His hoot and the rustle of leaves became as much a part of the gathering as the stories shared. The creatures no longer heard just the silence of his flight. They heard the carrying thoughts behind it. Under Lewis's quiet leadership, the gatherings flourished. Creatures from all corners of the woods brought their insights and laughter, their worries and joys. The glen became a place where every voice could be heard, from the tiniest insect to the grandest stag. Lewis, the silent owl, became Lewis, the listener, the heart of the forest's nocturnal symphony. His legacy was one of empathy, a testament to the idea that understanding begins not with speaking, but with listening. In the tranquil embrace of the woods of the echoes, where every creature has a story and every whisper was a song, Lewis perched contentedly. The soft hoot that signaled his presence now joined the chorus of the night, a symbol of trust and the magic of silent wings that carried wisdom of the breeze. The end.